It is a hot day today, so whew, super hot. Cool. Are you freaking kidding me? Wow. It's really crazy, this car, because in the beginning I thought that it didn't have much power in the low end torque, and it really doesn't. You have to really get the revs up, which was a surprise to me. If I would have noticed the torque before, I would have probably understood that. But in the end, I figured that you do have to kind of wind up the car to be able to get that performance out of it. You have no stock. Yes, green. M button on. I don't know how well you can hear it with the windows up. I'm sure you can still hear it. It's not as good as with the windows down, but then you get wind noise, so it's always a thing. That was 6,000 revs. Woo. Downshift to 6,000. pretty much full power right there. I hit it up to the limit of the yellow, so 8250. I mean, as close as I could get it to there without redlining. And then V10 sound is just so unique. It's funny because it sounds a lot like my E39 M5. There's a lot of similarities in engine sound, of course, but more. But I feel that I can hear the foundational sound of the E39 M5 in this car, which is amazing. I know it's the same base foundation engine in that sense with 2 other cylinders, but it's just awesome. And of course the active bolster and sides here are awesome as well. Eat that ice cream. I had to get it in stick shift. I couldn't go the SMG route. I refused to buy it. And when I saw the stick shift and the miles, I said, I need this car. And I was super lucky to be able to get it, because these, they go on the market and boom, they're off the market because people just buy them. I mean, the fact that there's less than 1,000 of these in the US, because a lot have been shipped, not a lot, but a good amount have been shipped somewhere else. They didn't make these.